What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest. This video is a detailed long-form review of the Costway single-seater sofa bed, the HY10417CF model. I picked this up primarily as a practical solution for my small guest room, and the price was quite a huge factor. I managed to get it just for about £90, which I felt was a steal for a convertible piece of furniture. I've been using it for about 2 weeks, both as a chair and as a temporary bed for guests. And I wanted to share my complete experience, covering everything from the quality of the materials to its everyday usability. Let's start with the look and the color. I chose the coffee color, and I have to say it looks really nice. It's a deep rich brown, almost like a dark latte, and it has its plush, soft suede and velvet-like texture. It isn't a premium fabric, but for the price, it feels surprisingly good to touch and definitely adds a warm, inviting feel of the room. It's a very versatile color that blends well with different decors, which was important to me. The stitching seems neat and tidy all around, and there were no loose threads or obvious flaws in the upholstery when it arrived. The overall aesthetic is clean, modern, and simple, which I appreciate. Next up, the dimensions, and what I call its flexibility. When it's in its upright sofa chair condition, it's compact, making it perfect for smaller spaces. Based on the product specifications and what I've measured roughly, it sits at around 86.4 centimeters high, 61 centimeters wide, and 61 centimeters deep. But that depth is when it's mostly in the chair position. The key feature here is its ability to transform. The design is a 4-in-1, which means it can be an ottoman or footstool too, when fully folded, an upright chair, a lounger with the backrest reclined, or as a single full-sized bed when fully extended. This flexibility is the main selling point. The backrest is multi-position adjustable, often cited as 6 positions, which allows you to go from completely upright to fully flat. The mechanism to adjust the backrest is a simple ratchet system. You push the backrest forward until you hear the click, and then you can recline it to the next position or lay it flat. It's simple to use, and I haven't had any trouble at all. Moving on to the quality and durability. This is where the £90 price tag needs to be kept in mind. The core of the unit is a sturdy metal frame, which is essential for stability. The legs are generally folding support legs, which you need to swing out when you convert it to the bed or to a lounger. The metal frame seems robust enough for its purpose, and it provides a reliable foundation in terms of the padding. It uses high-density sponge filling too. The durability of the metal mechanism seems good, handling the transitions between positions without any issues at all. The fabric itself seems reasonably durable, but I would be cautious about spills as it's not the easiest to spot clean. Finally, I'd like to talk about the usability. The assembly was required, but it was quite straightforward, mostly just attaching the folding legs, as you can see, and perhaps the included pillow. It's a single-person job, and the instructions were quite clear. The portability is excellent. When folded into the ottoman shape, it's easy to move and store, which is fantastic for tiny flats and rooms. When fully extended, as well as a bed, the total length is good for an average height adult, about 185 centimeters, roughly. Which means, of course, if you're very tall, your feet might hang off, so keep that in mind. The main function I use is this as a lounger. Just position that for reading or for watching TV, and you're quite comfortable there. For the price of £90, the Costway HY10417CF is an excellent, flexible piece of furniture. It's not an everyday luxury bed, but an occasional guest, a study chair, or a simple lounge spot. It offers tremendous value, solid construction for its price point, and the coffee color is really smart and elegant. Just remember to plan to get a mattress topper if you intend to use the bed function a lot more. Overall, quite pleased by this purchase. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care, and be well. Cheers.